Hi, hope you're having an amazing day. As you saw from the title of this video, today we're going to be doing my Dollar Tree makeup or like beauty haul part 2. Part 1 is going to be linked down below if you want to watch that, but this one is going to be pretty big. Look at this bag. I honestly don't remember what I purchased as always, so this is going to be a surprise to both of you. What? To both of us. And let's just get into it. If you want to see what I purchased from my Dollar Tree, just keep on watching. So first off, I kind of want to go through the products that I purchased aside from Dollar Tree, just a little baby haul. First product is the Amuse Full Cover Radiance Concealer. This is a long wear matte finish. I actually picked this up from my local Q Bargain and I just thought this looks so cool, and I believe these are new to their site or to their brand, and this is the one in sand. So let me go ahead and open it so we can look at the coverage. All right, I'm sure it's gonna have a normal applicator, just a small one. Oh no, it's actually a big applicator. This one's the one in sand. Actually, it looks pretty promising. I was not expecting that giant doe foot applicator. Now I'm really excited. Next two products are from Marshall. So the first one is the e.l.f. mascara. This is their, what is this called? Lash Beats Defining Lengthening Mascara. And this one here is in pitch black. And I thought, why not? This one here is in, what? This one here is from Marshall's for $3.99. There's a look at that mascara. So I'm not going to go ahead and open it just yet because I do have a lot of mascaras in my collection open already. But I already know myself and I really like the Big Mood mascara from e.l.f. So I thought, why not try this one out? And I'll put a picture of the wand on the screen. But yeah, so exciting. It was so affordable as well. The last product from Marshall's was this Morphe and Jacyln Hill situation. So I think I've seen this a couple times. I just never purchased it. I don't know why, but this was so affordable. It was $24.99. So like packaging is everything. Kind of open it like that, and then these are all the brushes that come in here. Basically you get so many brushes in here, a lot of eyeshadow brushes, a lot of face brushes, and I already own a couple of Morphe brushes because my sister did buy them for me for like Christmas a couple years ago, and I know that I love the quality, so I just had to pick it up for $24.99. It was a steal. And you get this cute little box as well. All right, let's talk about the products I already had here for a long time. This is the, what is this? Kendal and Kylie little makeup bag. I purchased it because I really like the little design. You know, the cheetah print style is so cute. But I think this is like the perfect kind of bag for like travel or whatever. And this was, again, from Kylie and Kendal, and it was so cute. And I'm like, okay, so it has a name and now it has a little cute print, so I'm like, why not pick it up for $125? It's a steal. I picked up a little scrunchie. As you guys know, I like buying different types of scrunchies from the Dollar Tree. I purchased this orange one because it's so cute, and I also did buy a purple one, which I did already use, so it's like somewhere over there, but so cute. I'm just gonna go ahead and open this and throw it with my other scrunchies. Let me show you guys the purple one. This is the purple one. This one's also so cute, but it's like so soft and velvety. And there's a look at it open. These are adorable, and they came in different types of colors, but these are the colors that I wear the most, orange and purple. So cute. We have two of these products. These are the Be Pure Lavender Cuticle Oil Pen. This one here is in lavender, and we also have the one in mango. So I think it's really essential to take care of your nails, especially when you're doing a lot of falsies, you're doing a lot of press-on nails. So I think having these types of products is essential just to give yourself a little bit of self-care with your nails as well. And it's just so quick and easy. It's just a little click pen and you throw it on your fingernails. So cute. And they also do have these on Amuse as well. So I'm just gonna go ahead and open them now. Let's take a look at how they look. All right, there's a look at those cuticle oils. Again, they're just like a click pen. They have a little brush on them. Cute. The next product I purchased was the Bolero facial mask. So I almost purchased like 3 of these. I'm like, let me try one out. I don't need that many face masks. This one here is the Water Lily and Tea Tree Moisturizing Boost or Moisturizer Boost. It looks so nice. I like to buy these every so often and just have them for those self-care days. So yeah, whenever I just want to relax, just throw it on my face. That's what I do. I don't think these are life-changing at all. I think they're just a cute little vibe. Bought a couple of lip balms. So next we have the Sugar Cookie Lip Balm. It looks so cute, so I just went ahead and picked it up. Cute little packaging, reminds me of those EOS kind of vibes. Looks like that. Again, this one here's in Sugar Cookie. It smells so nice. I also went ahead and picked this up. This is the LA Colors Roll On Gloss. I actually have a couple of these in my collection already, but this is just such a cute color, and this one here is in coconut. I don't own this one, so I was like, why not pick it up? Just look at that. So cute. Let's see if it smells like coconut. Oh my gosh. It does smell like coconut. It smells so good. We also ran across these. As you guys know, I do finds with my boyfriend, and a lot of these finds are already on my Instagram. So if you want to head over there, go ahead and support. But basically, these are from Beauty Intuition, and they had some cute little products that remind me of the Glam Light products. So the first one is the Beauty Intuition Lip Scrub. How cute is that? Packaging wise, adorable. And this one here is in Caramel Brûlée Frappe scent. Just look at that, and look at that. Okay, why is it kind of twisted off already? All right, there's a look at that. Oh my goodness, it kind of smells like the sugar cookie lip balm. They have a similar scent to them, vanilla cookie vibes. Really nice, and it actually looks so yummy. Not that you can eat it, but how cool. Okay, really excited about this. This is the other one. This is a S'mores lip balm, and yeah, basically that's what it is. It is cruelty free and vegan as well. But look at this packaging. Let's just take it in for a little bit. So as you guys know, I love collecting lip balms, so I was like, why not? It's a cute little s'more vibe. What's going on? I think it's defective. What's happening? It like opened from the bottom. Yeah, the top is not coming off, and I don't think it comes out this way because look at how it's looking. Really weird. I'm gonna keep it and try to figure out what's going on, but that's a lip balm. Let's give it a sniff. It smells like vanilla. It doesn't even smell like s'more. I'm kind of sad about this. I picked up some Petite Nails from LA Colors. I thought this design was so cute. I've actually mentioned on my channel that I don't really love these short nails from the Dollar Tree. However, I think these are cute and they were nice designs, so I was like, why not pick it up? I really like how they did the clear background. It just looks cool. So this one here, the style is called Wavy Baby, and I picked up two because I like to mix and match them for each like hand, so they're like the same size, but so nice. Next, they had a couple of these kind of products. So they're both from Season Your Bath. So the first one is a calming and soothing pillow spray mist, and it is aromatherapy. I like trying these types of products out because they just work out so well. So if you see like room sprays, lotions, shower gels, body lotions, like all types of stuff from the Dollar Tree is amazing. So I want to try this out, and it actually smells really good. I already sprayed it in my room and on my pillows, and so good. So that was a really good purchase. I haven't tried this, but this is the Hydrating and Replenishing Mineral Body Polish. So I'm guessing this is just like a lotion. So is this a scrub? I'll have to try it out and see, but let me know if you've tried these products before. Again, I'm really liking this. I haven't tried this, so we're gonna see. And of course, I always update you guys in my empties videos, so yeah. Lastly, we have a hand sanitizer. I was missing one in my purse, so I just went ahead and picked one up. I really like purchasing these because they are big, they hold a lot of products, and they're just essential to have in my car, my purse, everywhere. But this is just a hand sanitizer, antibacterial hand gel in pomegranate and vanilla scent. They also do have a coconut and lime scent, but I like both of them. This time I just happened to grab this one, and I mentioned these in my empty videos as well. They're really good, and you get a lot of products. So yes, this was the last product. So if you enjoyed this video, of course give it a thumbs up so I know to keep making them. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and let me know if you've picked up these products. Let me know your thoughts on this haul in the comments down below, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.